everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. I have a Coach unboxing along with some items from Hermes. So I thought I'd put it in a video for you. We went to Hermes and Coach today in Vancouver, and we took the SkyTrain. We had a beautiful day. And I'll put in some pictures later on when I edit the vlog. And they also, in Vancouver, they also clean bags at Coach. So they cleaned my Laura tote. They did a really good job. There's not much they can do about the peeling there, but they did clean it for me, and they also clean the inside. So that's pretty amazing. So that's a free service. So if you have, like, this bag is like 10 or 15 years old, and it's like, you know, in really good condition. So, and it's metallic. So metallic normally does peel anyways, but yeah, it's a beautiful bag. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with Coach. Coach is a luxury brand according to Coach, because I did read some information about Coach, because everybody was saying it's a contemporary brand and that kind of thing. It really isn't. The only way that it would be like a contemporary brand is because Coach made it that way. So like the Rogues and like the leathers that Coach uses are pretty much up there as well. So what they did, according to Coach, is that they started out as a luxury brand when they first started. And then what they decided to do, instead of being like exclusive like Louis, Chanel, and Hermes, they brought it out to the masses to get more money than just being like exclusive to rich people. So I thought that was really interesting, because I thought Coach was a contemporary brand, but not really. And another cool thing also is that Coach sources all their leather goods from responsible tanneries. So some of the leather goods that maybe the other brands get are from different sources than, what do you call it? Like, they use maybe not the right thing or something, allegedly. So if you guys know anything more about it, let me know, because it's pretty interesting. So let me know. All right, so she gave me the carrier bag here from Coach. Pretty cool. And the cool part, I never had a carrier bag from Coach, but they also have their little pledge, you know, that they have in the bags. So I thought that was kind of cool. All right, so I did pick up a few things at Coach. I do have a bag on order, so I'm waiting for that to come. And then I will unbox that for you. But she had to order it, so. All right, let me get the Coach items out here, and then we'll go to Hermes. All right. So yeah, it was a beautiful day in Vancouver. We took the SkyTrain, and we had lunch at the Thai restaurant. Really good food. They have a lunch special under $20, so we had the stir fry. All right, so this is my card holder that I got. And let's see here. This is really nice. Let's unbag this. And this is in like a Logan green. It's kind of hard to pick up, but really beautiful. It's new, obviously. All right, so this is going to go in. I also have a green Dempsey tote coming. So this is going to match that green color for the holiday. All right, so that's the first one. So I'm looking forward to getting those 2 items. So do you guys have any Coach items? I have vintage. I have the vintage Coaches. Ooh, outstanding. And this leather is really good, actually. It's really nice. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with Coach. I would highly recommend it, personally. Save a lot of money and you're getting really nice quality. All right, they give you a little Coach card and then your receipt. Okay, so we'll save that. And another thing I found out is you can get Rakuten points for shopping at Coach. So yeah, definitely check that out. And they're running 30% off. Not all items, but most of the items. Okay, here's the other one in the bag. And let's see here. All right. This is Rexy, green dinosaur, the mascot. And it has the khaki Coach canvas. And looks like that. And then it has Coach there. So this is going to go also on my new Dempsey green holiday tote. So I'm just waiting for that to come. So that's coming from Florida. And when that comes, I will leave my personal shopper information below. And definitely order from her. She's really good. And she's very affordable for a personal shopper because they're pretty outrageous. All right, so that's a second Coach item. All right, let's go and look for Hermes. Okay. All right. Okay. This is from my essay at Hermes. She's really nice. Okay. You get, if you've never seen that, you get like a white card holder, and then that's your receipt in there. It has Hermes embossed in there. And let's see what she gave me. I asked her for a few samples. So she gave me, this is a new one from Twilly, de Hermes. This is called Tootie. That's one of the samples. That's kind of cool. And that's what that looks like. All right, let's see here. And then I purchased a refill. It is in satin, and it is beige tackalac, number 16, I believe. I'll leave the information below. And this is what the refill box looks like. So if you buy the Hermes lipstick, you know, the full-size lipstick, this is full-size too, but it's the refill. You pop it out, and then you can put different refills in that original lipstick case. All right. And this is what the refills look like if you've never seen one. They have a little top there. You turn, the top comes off. Then you pop this part, you take this part out, put this part in, and then that is the color. So it's really pretty. Now, how do you guys feel about the Hermes lipstick? Do you think it's worth the money? Personally, I think not. And I'm going to tell you why. It's nice to get something from Hermes because they're so expensive. The average person cannot afford the store. And you go in there and they can be intimidating. They don't intimidate me because I go in there, hi, how's it going? You know, blah, blah. You know, God, get this woman out of here. But they are very intimidating. Like I talked to one lady there that had a Pinkerton 18, the lock version. And it was in Burrard leather, which I guess is the top of the line, the best leather in the world. I don't know. Anyways, it was like the tan color, really pretty. It had the stitching on the outside. Pinkerton. I have a Pinkerton. I love it. But mine's orange. But the guy that was helping her, I mean, this woman was buying a skirt. She was buying a makeup. She probably had a Birkin in there, you know, who knows. But she was very nice. And I asked her how she liked her Pinkerton, right? And she said, oh, I love it. I told her I had one, you know, blah, blah, blah. And I said, do you feel that they're worth the money? Because they're like 8,500 Canadian. And that's for a very small bag. They're like that big. They're not very big. And it's a bucket bag. That's it. She said no. She said her husband surprised her and she had to accept the bag. So, ooh, yeah, that's rough. So, yeah. So, do you guys, what do you guys think? All right. So, this is what lipstick samples come in. If you've never seen the little lipstick case. All right. She gave me 2. Okay. I asked for more than 2, but that's okay. All right. She gave me beige camama and beige de ottoman, I guess. All right. That's what that one looks like. This one's pretty nice too. All right, so she gave me 2 lipsticks. I asked for 6. All right, so that's all right. Beggars can't be choosers. And this is the perfume sample box. Okay. All right, so you've seen the Twilly Tootie. That's a new one. All right, she gave me 2 perfume samples. Okay, I asked for like 4. All right. So what did she give me? Okay, she gave me Tree de Hermes. And she gave me H24. Okay, these are both for my husband. She didn't give me anything that I basically asked for. All right, so I'll give these to Ted. And this one I think is his also. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, they're hard to see because it's... Yeah, this one's H24. All right, so here's a couple of samples.
Good.
All right, I did get one that I asked for. Twilly Tootie. I showed you that one. All right, so I guess that's better than nothing. All right, so that is my unboxing for today. This is my Laura tote that I showed earlier. They cleaned it pretty nice. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.